Hello, this is Suna Senman here again with A Course of Love, Lesson 21. A Course of Love is by the same author as A Course of Miracles. They are brought through two different women 30 years apart. So Lesson 21 is going to start with the last paragraph of Lesson 20 in this Chapter 4 called Love's Equity. All fear ends when proof of your existence is established. All fear is based on your inability to recognize love, and thus you who you are and who God is. How could you not have been fearful with doubt as powerful as this? How could you not rejoice when doubt is gone and love fills all the space that doubt had occupied? No shadows linger when doubt is gone. Nothing stands between the child of God and the child's own source. There remain no clouds to block the sun, and night gives way to day. Child of God, you are alien here, but need not be alien to yourself. In your knowledge of yourself, all thread of time and space and place dissolves. You may still walk an alien land, but not in a fog of amnesia that obscures what would be a brief adventure and replaces it with dreams of terror and confusion so rampant that no toehold of security is possible. A day turns endlessly into night in a long march towards death. Recognize who you are in God's light goes beyond you. Recognize who you are and God's light goes before you, illuminating every path and shining away the fog of dreams from which you awakened undisturbed. Love alone has the power to turn this dream of death into a waking awareness of eternal life. Yearning, learning, seeking, acquiring the need to own, the need to keep, the grasping call, the driving force, the chosen passion, all these things that you have made to replace what you already have will lead you back as surely as they can lead you astray. Where what you have made will lead rest only on your decision. Your decision, couched in many forms, is simply this: to proceed towards love or to withdraw from it, to believe it is given or withheld. Love is all that follows the law of God in your world. All else assumes that what one has is denied another. While love cannot be learned, no practice, there is a practice we must do in order to recognize love's presence. We practice living by the law of love, a law of gain, not loss, a law that says the more you give, the more you gain. There are no losers and no winners under God's law. No one is given more than another. God cannot love you more than your neighbor, nor can you earn more of God's love than you have, or a better place in heaven. The mind, under the ego's direction, has thrived on winners and on losers, on striving for and earning a better place. The heart knows not these distinctions, and those who think their hearts have learned them by being battered and abused by their experience here, rejoice in knowing that it is not so. This seeming illusion is believed in because your mind has made it so. Your thoughts have reviewed and reviewed again all the pain that love has brought. It dwells on those occasions when love has failed because it does not recognize that love cannot fail. So that was Lesson 21, or Reading 21 in A Course of Love. I encourage you to listen to this again, breathe deeply, and sit quietly for 10 to 15 minutes. Stay as empty as you can. Here is the breathing exercise. Take a big breath in Filling, filling, filling. Fill yourself with everything. And slowly release it out. Just visualize every thought, every concern, just melting away, floating away in an ocean. And now again, breathe in, breathe up from within all your thoughts, your concerns, your feelings. Breathe in everything. And now let it just be swept away like a flooding that takes away all the debris and sweeps it into the ocean till you are empty. One more time. Breathe in everything, every thought, every feeling, every concern. And exhale, let it be washed away by a river of pure peace and stillness. Remain in stillness.